Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create professional quality videos in just a minute with AI assistant. So there is a tool which is called aivideo.com, and make sure you will have logged in. But when you just logged in, here is the like compulsory to purchase the plan subscription right over here. But I will just show you the short tutorial of it, how it's work. So let's break in.
We took 9 of the top AI models and put them in a single product that can generate entire videos with a simple prompt, while also offering unlimited freedom to explore and make adjustments through our AI native video editor. We'll start today with a template. There are so many great ones to choose from, ranging from marketing to history to comic books. I'm going to choose Wild West and type, make an action-packed story about a bank run in a small town. With a single click, we get this video. When Ace Killington asked for that money, the poor woman had to give it, which is just amazing. You can also really configure these settings, optionally giving a complete script, setting your media sources, voiceover, captions, music, and more. And the editor's note is super powerful. You can provide crazy amounts of detail about how you want the video to be edited and shot, specifying things like shot types, pacing, lighting, mood, camera types, and more. No other product provides this type of control. Now it's time for even more. You could open any video in the editor and explore a full range of media tools. Generate beautiful video clips with the leading video models. Generate amazing titles and illustrations with the leading image models. Generate voiceovers in seconds with 11 laps. And generate sound effects with AI using just a prompt. All of this available directly in your editor, where you can move assets easily into your project timeline. It's an entire Hollywood studio packed inside a web browser. It's the most useful tool for AI video production. It's aivideo.com.
So in this way, you will just create professional quality videos in minutes with AI assistant, which is called tool aivideo.com. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.